Let's learn about the periodic table. First, groups are the vertical columns going down. There are 18 of them, and the elements in the same group are basically a dysfunctional family. They share the same number of valence electrons and act with early similar chemical personalities. The main reason group members act alike is that they have the identical valence electrons in the atomose shell. For instance, all elements in group 1, the alkali metals like lithium, sodium, and potassium, have just one valence electron, making them dangerously reactive. Meanwhile, group 17 features the toxic halogens, for example fluorine and chlorine, and group 18 features the introverted noble gases, who are totally stable and refuse to talk to anyone because their shells are full. Next, periods are the horizontal rows going across. There are 7 of these bad boys, and each row corresponds to the actual number of electron shells the atom possesses. For instance, every element in period 2 rocks 2 energy levels, while the elements in period 4 step it up to 4 energy levels. So remember, groups are columns that tell you about the chemical behavior and valence electrons, and periods are rows that tell you about the electron shells and energy levels. Stop mixing them up, or the chemistry teacher will be sad.